Alright, homework. Arabesques, as they're clinically called, or drinking birds, as we call them at footy. They're basically a single leg Romanian deadlift. It looks like this. Alright, so that's a perfect rep. I wanted to show you how people do it at home, and I know how the boys do it at footy. So we've got too much flexion here. It's getting through his lumbar spine. It's not the pelvis is tilting to compensate for his lack of hamstring control. So what we're going to do here is slow it down. I don't want you to go as far. I want Trav to hold his hands on the front of his thighs and just run them down his thighs, down his leg as he goes through. You see his hips here. If you can turn around, Trav, and face the wall for me so that viewers can see the glutes. We're nice and controlled. There's minimal rotation there. We don't want him to rotate too much. Give us a bad rep. See how we rotate through. Bad rep, bad, no good. All right, so slow it down. Make sure we're only going about half the depth. All right, really control on keeping that backside on for me. Yep, really controlling and not getting too much knee flexion, so we're getting a nice stretch here from the knee to the hip. All right, homework exercise number 2 is the glute bridge. All right, so we use this a lot in the clinic, but I would say that most footballers will be able to do this double leg. We want to move towards single leg, but if you can't do it double leg, then I wouldn't put you doing it single leg straight away. So the main thing with this exercise, we're trying to focus on our hamstrings and our glutes, lifting our hips off the ground. I don't want you to compensate through your lower back. Can you give us a bad one, Trav? So it really arches off there. We don't want that lumbar compensation involving it at all. All right, we want to keep it pelvis nice and neutral, even tuck your pelvis underneath in a posterior tilt. All right, so we can allow for those glutes and the hamstrings to work. So obviously Trav's too good at this one, so what we'll do is we'll start off on a single leg bridge. So all Trav's got to do is lift one leg up like this, like so. All right, and then he's powering with one foot. So what this is doing, it's great for someone with an injured hammy because we've got one leg taking the load of the entire body. And if we're doing a double leg, then usually the stronger limb will compensate and take over. So once you get quite good at these, we can extend the length as well. So if Trav can just pop that foot a little bit forward and try again. As you can see, it's a little bit harder for him. Reason being, it's at a longer length, the fiber's at a longer length. When we do a hammy, we don't do it in 90 degrees flexion. It's normally overextending when we're running or sprinting or even kicking. So if you can get further again, this is probably more of a knee flexion angle we'd see when we're running, particularly in the striding phase. And you can hear him grunting, it's a bit harder. All right, so give this one a go, guys. Cheers.